Hey friends, if you wish to change Google Chrome address bar color, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Open Google Chrome, click on Customize Chrome at the bottom right corner, and then you can change the color from here. It changes the color for the address bar and other elements as well. Okay, and you can choose a specific theme if you want that. So that will change the color of the address bar and the surrounding areas while keeping a different theme for the rest of Google. Now, one may ask that it's changing it for the entire browser, not just the address bar. That's because you're on the base page. Now, let's say that we opened geekchamp.com and hit enter. So when we open a certain website, the color of the website will remain the same as the theme of Chrome, but the color of the address bar will be different. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.